Morning students, our today's topic is to find out the packing fraction of the primitive BCC, FCC, CCP and SCP unit cell. Okay. So first of all, we should understand the meaning of the packing fraction. The packing fraction in general we can define that how much portion of the unit cell is covered by the atoms present in the unit cell. कहने का मतलब ये है कि एक यूनिट सेल का कितना वॉल्यूम उसमें जो एटम्स है उनके द्वारा कवर किया हुआ है. ओके, दिस परसेंटेज इज नोन एज द पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन. So packing fraction may be written in the formula as a formula. Packing fraction is equal to the volume of atoms present in unit cell. Okay. So here how can we find out the total volume of the atoms? So volume of one atom multiplied by the total number of atoms present in the unit cell. Okay, that is the value of Z. Okay, Z is the total number of atoms present in unit cell divided by the volume of unit cell, and this ratio is multiplied by 100. So this percentage is known as the packing fraction, or you can say the volume of the unit cell which is covered by the atoms present in the unit cell. Okay, so first of all we will take the primitive unit cell, and suppose this is primitive unit cell, and we very well know about the primitive unit cell that 8 atoms are present at the corners, and the share of these 8 atoms toward this unit cell is 1. Okay, or we can say the value of Z is 1 for the primitive unit cell. Okay, so the packing fraction PF is equal to the volume of atoms present in unit cell. Okay, so here the atoms are assumed in the shape of the sphere, and the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Let r is the radius of one atom. Okay, and this is multiplied by 1. Okay, why? Because this is the volume of one atom, and the multiplied by the total number of atoms, total number of atoms in this unit cell is 1, so it will be multiplied by 1. Clear? And this will be divided by the volume of the unit cell, and let the length of the edge of the unit cell is A. Okay, so the volume of the unit cell will be A cube, and this will be multiplied by 100. Now we have to find out the relationship in between the edge length and the radius of the sphere or radius of the atom. Okay, this can be understood from this one. Actual position, suppose I am taking the front pose of one face for the primitive unit cell. In primitive unit cell, the actual position of the atoms is like this. Means atoms at this edge length are touching with each other. Okay, so this one is R, this one is R, and this total is A. So we can say the A equals to 2R. Okay, so here we can replace AQ in the form of R. So AQ equal to Q of 2R. Okay, so this will be 8R cube. So I am putting here 8r cube in place of a cube. 8r cube. Okay. This r cube cancels with this one. Okay. This 4 2 ja 8. And in next step what happens? Look. I am also putting the value of pi. Pi 22 upon 7. And this 3 already here. And this 2 is also here. And this is multiplied by 100. Okay. This 2 cancel this 22 11 times. So this is equal to 11 upon 21 into 100. On solving this, we get 52.38%. Okay. Or rounding to 52.4%. कहने का मतलब ये है, in primitive unit cell, the 52.4% of the unit cell is covered by the atoms and the left portion is vacant. Okay. Now we move toward the BCC. The main thing to find out the packing fraction of any unit cell, we have to find out the relationship in between the edge length and the radius of the atom. So in case of BCC, the atoms are present at corners and one atom is present at the body center. Now look the position. We are going to find out the relationship in between the edge length and the radius of the atom. For this हम इसको देखेंगे जो बॉडी डायगोनल है, ठीक है ना. दिस एटम इज प्रेजेंट एट द बॉडी डायगोनल, ठीक है ना. यहां से अपन इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं, ठीक है. तो द एटम विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द बॉडी सेंटर and the atom present at the this corner and atom present at this corner. Okay. ये सारे के सारे क्या हैं? All these are touching with each other. कह सकते हैं हम ये कि इस तरीके से ये अगर बॉडी डायगोनल है, if this one is body diagonal and this one is face diagonal and this is edge length, ये पोजीशन इस तरीके की होगी. अगर हम इसको फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं, ये बॉडी डायगोनल है, इसको हमने इससे ज्वाइन किया और ऐसे किया, so this is a right angle triangle. Is it clear? ये बॉडी डायगोनल, ये फेस डायगोनल and this one is edge length. Okay, normal. And this angle is 90 degree. We very well know if the edge length is A, then the face diagonal is under root 2A, and this under root 2A and this A. On using Pythagoras theorem, we will get the value of the body diagonal under root 3A. Okay. And now this atom which is present at the body center and this atom which is present at this corner and this atom which is present at this corner, all these are touching with each other and this total length is equal to under root 3a. Okay. And now this total length in the form of the radius of the spheres, this is 2r and this one is r and this one is r. So 2r plus r total 4r is equal to root 3a. ठीक है. यहाँ भी ये आप समझ सकते हैं, ये अगर अंडर रूट 2a है, ये a है, तो ये अंडर रूट 3a है. और यहाँ एटम्स की पोजीशन ये है, ये एटम कॉर्नर पर है, ठीक है ना, ये एटम बॉडी सेंटर पर है और ये एटम इस कॉर्नर पर है, ठीक है ना। तो हम कह सकते हैं √3a = 4r या a = 4/√3r. So we will use this relationship in between the edge length and the radius of the sphere. Now look, the packing fraction is equal to the volume of the atoms present in the unit cell. There are 2 atoms present in the BCC unit cell because the value of Z is 2. Okay, so I am using 2 multiplied by the volume of 1 atom. Okay, that is 4/3 pi r cube. Is it clear? And divided by the volume of the unit cell, that is AQ. In place of AQ, I am going to put the cube of this one. Okay. So here cube of 4r and this will come in the numerator, cube of √3 multiplied by 100 to find out the percentage. On solving, 2 into 4 and I am also putting the value of pi, also 22/7, this r cube and this √3 into √3 into √3, that is 3√3. Okay, and in denominator this 3 is here and this 4r cube means 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 r cube multiplied by 100. Clear? So now I am going to cancel, which is cancelling. This r cube cancel with this one, this 4 2 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64 and this 3 cancels with this one and this 2 4 ja 8 and this 11. Okay, so overall this is 11 √3 upon 7 into 4, 28 multiplied by 100. Okay, when we solve this we will find out the percentage, that is 68.04. Okay, तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि 68.04% of the unit cell is covered by the atoms which is present in BCC unit cell. Okay. Okay. Now we will find out the packing fraction for the FCC, CCP or SCP unit cell. Okay. Again we have to find out the relationship in between the edge length and the radius of the sphere. ये है radius of the atoms. This is FCC unit cell. Atoms are present at the corners and 6 atoms are present at द सेंटर ऑफ ईच सरफेस। ओके, तो यहां भी इस तरीके की पोजीशन है। ये जो फेस डायगोनल है, फेस डायगोनल पे जो ये एटम्स है डायगोनल है, इसमें जो दिस एटम इज प्रेजेंट एट दिस कॉर्नर, दिस एटम इज प्रेजेंट एट दिस कॉर्नर, एंड दिस इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ द फेस। ऑल दीज आर टचिंग विद ईच अदर, दीज आर आल्सो टचिंग विद ईच अदर, लेकिन फिगर की वजह से नहीं दिख रहे। मैं इसको फ्रंट पोज इस तरीके से जैसे बनाता हूं, this atom is present in this way. This is phase diagonal. These two are not touching with each other, but these three and these three are touching with each other, and this is a face, okay, particular face. So if this one is edge length, so this phase diagonal will be under root 2a, and again this value in the form of the radius of the spheres r plus r 2r, and this 2r 4r. So here we can write under root 2a equals to 4r, or a equals to 2 under root 2r. Is it clear? So we will use this relationship in finding the value of the packing fraction. Now look, the packing fraction for FCC, CCP or SCP. The number of atoms is 4, that is the value of Z, multiplied by the volume of one sphere, or you can say the one atom, divided by the volume of the unit cell, that is AQ, and in place of AQ I am writing the cube of 2 root 2r. Clear? Now look, 4 into 4 into, in place of pi I am writing 22 by 7, and this r cube. Here to find out the percentage we will write into 100 also. Okay, this 3 is already here. On cube root of 2 root 2, so 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, and this root 2 root 2 root 2, that is 2 root 2. So this will be 16 root 2, 16 root 2, and this r cube multiplied by 100. Clear? On cancelling, this 4 cancel, 4 4 ja 16. Okay, this r cube cancels. This will give us 22 upon 21 root 2 multiplied by 100. Okay. On putting the value of this root 2, that is 22 upon 21, 1.414 multiplied by 100. This, on solving, we get around 74.08%. So overall we can say for the FCC, CCP or SCP unit cell, the 74.08% part of the unit cell is covered by the atoms present in the unit cell. So this is the most compact. हम ये कह सकते हैं इनमें जो voids का प्लेस, जो वेकेंट प्लेस है, that is the least in case of FCC, CCP और SCP. ओके, ठीक है। यहाँ SCP जो है, SCP में नंबर ऑफ एटम 6 है, लेकिन ओवरऑल जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं So we will find the same value of the packing fraction for SCP also, that is 74.08%. तो हम एक बार रिकॉल कर लें. फॉर प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल द पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन इज 52.04%, या सॉरी 52.4%, and for BCC it is 68%, and for FCC, CCP and SCP this is 74.08%. Okay.